Just said a while ago, perhaps some of you may be surprised na kay Bogya po ko magbisaya. Although I came from Manila, I've been in Manila for a couple of years already. Bisaya gihapon ko, dili mabaligya because my wife is from Cagayan de Oro and I've stayed in Mindanao for many years. Nilako ko sa Mindanao for many years. So I've been in the business for 9 years. Kaya lang nagsimula yung wife ko noong 1992. And I joined her in 1996. Naiaway dia, unsa man naigubot dia. Wala man. Ato sang ipa-settle down kay mura mag na may discussion dia. Okay. Ang bana wala pa kasulod. Anyway, sige, tuloy ko. So 1996 sumali ako sa negosyong ito. It's not because I caught the vision. It's not because I was so excited about the business. I did not have the option. Wala ko yung option noong 1996. Alam niyo kung bakit. My wife joined in 1992 pero wala ko ni-appeal dayon. Just like perhaps some of you here today. Just like perhaps why until now, 10 taon na, ang dami ng mga proofs dito, hindi pa rin sumasali ang mga taga Cebu. I was on the same boat. Because in 1992, when I was introduced to this business, kaya nga ako kininegosyo, baligya lang ba? Kaya nga ako, it's just like direct selling business like Avon, Tupperware, inana. And I thought, dili ni para sa ako. And I'm sure, kanang mga lalaki dito ngayon, yung mga kalalakihan ngayon dito, ganun din ang paniniwala. Perhaps some of you here is skeptical nga, bisag dako pang kitaon diha, bisag pag nakadto nag-stage, pero unsa na lang, muhawa lugar ko sa akong trabaho para magbaligya og shampoo og mga toothpaste. Murag inana ang mindset ba? That was my mindset. So it took my wife 4 years to convince me to join the business. In 1996 nga numang ni-appeal ko sa negosyo, as I've said, it is not that I caught the vision. I was not excited, but I did not have the choice. Kaya nga naman, during the time, I was already a senior manager of Metrobank. Senior manager, and I was managing one of the biggest branches in Northern Mindanao. Sa Cagayan. Pasod lang na lagi ang bana ba? Kaya para walay away. Sige, dini na. Tanaw natin. Bayaan nyo na. Anyway, so in 1996, kaya nga ako nag-resign nun kasi challenge ko yung wife ko early in 1996. Sabi ko, if you make 300,000 a month, I will resign. During the time, my wife was already making at least 200,000 a month. 200,000 as early as 1992, 93, 94. Noong 1996, ang purpose ko kaya ako challenge, sabi ko para matigil na lang, kay sige mag-usap kada adlaw nga, kada buntag na lang, kada oras, muingon siya nga, mag-resign na lang kuno ko kay mo appeal ko sa iya. But I did not entertain the idea because of the thought that I would be selling the products of Forever Living. And I cannot see myself resigning as senior manager of Metrobank just to go knock at the doors of people and say, palit mo og aloe vera gel, palit mo og shampoo. I will not do that. And I'm sure, kamo diha karon, maupod na ang inyong frame of mind, ano inyong mindset, no? But in 1996, sabi niya, sige, kung mukita ko 300,000, mag-resign ka, ha? And true enough, in June 1996, maugyod na ang time nga, that was my reckoning date in Forever Living. Ingon sa akong misis, sabi niya, Dad, siguro mag-resign na gyud ka karon. Ingon ako nga naman, right before my very eyes, I saw her check. In June 1996, 320,000 pesos. 320. And it was a mixed feeling of happiness and sadness. Kaya nga naman, nalipay ka iko ngay dako among kwarta, di ba? 320. But suddenly, it dawned on me, Allah, I will bid goodbye to my banking career that I love very much. I was so passionate about banking because I saw myself becoming one of the top executives of Metrobank. If you are working in a bank and you work in one of the top 5 banks, I can guarantee you, naadi lang speaker, ayaw tanawa na sila dito sa likod, pasagdi. I can guarantee you, if you are a manager of a big bank like Metrobank, BPI, Far East Bank, you will not even entertain the thought of joining this kind of business. Tama ba? Kaya nga kayo mismo, nahihirapan kayo mag-imbita ng manager ng bangko. Kaya nga yung business ko mismo, nahirapan akong imbitahin. Because I was so passionate, I was so excited, I see myself as becoming like senior vice president of Metrobank before I even reached the age of 40. So, sa mga employees, reaching that kind of position is something that they will really cherish. And they would not entertain the idea of joining. Pero nung makita yung 320,000, hala, ingon ako, nahuman na ni karon. Mag-resign naman ko, ani. Nga naman, because I was only earning as a senior manager of Metrobank 50,000 a month. Mahuman ang sweldo. Makasos lagi mo, sos. Tanawa. Kay kung tanaw na to ang manager sa bangko, pareha na ako, they walk in the room, people will just look at them. Typical manager sa bangko, murag mao ni. Di ba? Musulod ka diha, anak ka, Pero mao na ang manager na jer lang, wala na money. Kay 50,000 ra gud akong sweldo. 50,000. Unya na pag deduction, SSS, Medicare, daghan kayo. Unya iyang kita sa akong misis 300,000. Di na nato i-deduct ang deduction sa kay dako na kan diferensya, di ba 300 against 50. Ayo lang po didaka. So mao na ang sweldo nako. And I said, sigurado na to na, basig next month mubo na, we cannot put all the eggs in one basket. So the following month, sabi niya, sige, the following month her check was 306,000 pesos. Ato ni tanaw para ma-visualize nyo, 320,000 nung June, pagka July, she made 306,000. Mao ni si Loni, Edmond Ramos, pila man, 50,000. The following month, na siyempre, maurag yapon. Hindi man na maisab sa kung asa ka mo trabaho. Di ba? Tama ba yan? Bisan pa magtambling-tambling ka sa atubangan sa imong boss, maurag yapon naman sweldo. Kahit na pagtimpla mo ng kape, simula umaga, tanghali, gabi, nervyoso na lang na, maurag yapon naman sweldo. Kaya exciting ang employment. Pagka-August, sabi ko, himuon na to na 3 months para sigurado gyud. Kaya mag-resign na gyud ko. But in August, of course, every August, alam niyo naman, lalo na sa mga taga-forever, every August, we normally leave for the US. Not because of the bank where I used to work before, but because of the privilege of a distributor na dumarating sa 1,500 case credits group sales. Husband and wife. Hindi pa nga ako kasali nun, sinasama na ako ng misis ko. Siguro yan ang one way of enticing the partner, the husband or the wife to join the business. Tagalog ticket ba? Libre. I can still remember before, pag unang first year na mo, sabi niya, Dad, hardworking ka ika, kinahanglan mag-relax ka. Ano, unsa man di na? Pakitaan niya ko ticket. Pagtanaw na ko, US travel. Wa ko nagpahalata ba? Oy, guwapo man din yung kumpanya ba? Okay, thank you ha. Sige, butanan ako diha. Gawas dayong ko, pugong ba? Pugong. Pag saraan na, yun ako, yes! Okay. So, mauman ang mga lalaki, di ba? Pride. Pagkakita sa ticket, okay lang. Sige. Yes! Uban-uban lang po ko dito sa States. But then, pagka-August, balik mi, 15 days kami dito sa States. We came back. No, we were there for 30 days. We went home on September 15. Ingon ako, sa akong una-una lang, ay, salamat, mubo na yung cheque karon. So, win-win situation. Happy siya sa forever. Ako, happy na po ko sa bangko. Kay, mubo man yung cheque. Akong una-una, kung wala na mag-monitor sa iyang mga salesman. Kaya akong una-una nga, baligya man. Wala na siya tao, di na siya mukita. When we came back and I asked him, ingon niya sa ako, eksakto yung kadad, wala na, nag 300,000 akong cheque. Pila man mo cheque karon? Da lagi. 399,000 pesos. Pila may ako? Mao ni lami karon, 35,000. Absence without leave ba? Without pay na. So, kung ikaw ang tao na naghahanap ng dahilan kung bakit ka lumipat, ito na ang sagot. 1 quarter, she made an amazing income of 1.1 million na ako yung magiting, matatag, loyal, at devoted na bank manager. 135,000, withholding tax lang ng taga-forever. So, I made my major decision when I saw the disparity. That was the only time that I sat down and listened. Kaya kayong mga hindi nakikinig hanggang ngayon, buksan ang isip nyo. Have an open mind. After all, you work so hard in your employment because you want to have a decent life. You work so hard because you want to uplift your economic condition. Ladies and gentlemen, open your eyes to the reality. Huwag kayong magbulag-bulagan sa opportunity ng forever living. Look, 1.1 million as against 135,000. Unya, you should believe this kay ako man ka na. Sa una na. Because in 1996, I finally made my major decision. I made a major decision in my life. I tendered my irrevocable resignation. as senior manager of the biggest bank in the Philippines to join the best company in the world, and that is Forever Living Products International. Dito pa lang, kung makikita mo, dapat mag-isip-isip ka na, kapatid. Kasi, pinag-uusapan natin ang employment as a 40-year plan. Pero, hindi ko naman tatalakayin ngayon ang marketing plan. Ang tatalakayin ko ngayon yung very important sequel to OPP. Now, very important among the uplines, yung mga may tao na nagdadala ng tao sa product centers. You see, when you bring a prospect to the product center, and he shows interest in the business, within 48 hours, you must bring them to this kind of meeting, which is what we call the new distributors orientation. Because more often than not, people who join the business of Forever na nag-OPP lang, pagkatapos they recruit like crazy, they easily fall out because they don't know what to do. You must remember that NDO is a very important sequel to OPP, because in NDO, we teach you how to handle objections, we teach you the right concept of MLM, ano ba yung ABC, etc., etc. So ngayong araw nito, ihanda niyo yung ballpen at notebook nyo, kailangan nyo magsulat, because I'll be talking for the next 2 hours and a half. And I will talk extensively about what you're going to do, what is the concept of multi-level marketing, paano mo ikukumpara yan sa traditional business, how can you convince an employee to join the business? I would like to start with the concept. Concept ng multi-level marketing. Now, I need your undivided attention sapagkat kailangan makinig kayong mabuti rito sapagkat ito ang gagamitin yung armas ngayon when you talk with people para hindi kayo ma-discourage. Kaya kayo nag-give up because you easily get discouraged. Now, when you fully understand kung ano sinalihan nyo, you will be self-confident. Hindi na kayo matatakot. Hindi na kayo mahihiya. What is the concept of multi-level marketing? Unang-una, when you join the business, you should be excited, you should be happy because you become your own boss. Ladies and gentlemen, one key factor for you to enjoy a fulfilling life in this world is when you do something in your own volition. When you do something where nobody dictates what you're supposed to do. You are your own boss. And you are only happy or you become happy with whatever you're doing kung ang ginagawa mo ay bukal sa iyong kalooban. You become your own boss. For you to make a difference in this world, you must endeavor to become your own boss. For you to become financially wealthy, you must be your own boss. Nobody on the face of this earth can ever claim that he became a multimillionaire because of employment. Meron ba? Wala. Kaya ngayon pa lang, pakaisipin nyo to, if you love yourself and your family, then please don't make employment on a permanent basis because there's life after employment. That is by joining the best company in the world. That is Forever Living Products International. Let me tell you my experience. Paano ko talagang na-internalize yung pagiging own boss. For 16 years, I worked with 6 banks. And I always had a boss. The highest position that I reached as a banker was assistant to the president. At the young age of 24, I was one of the youngest executives in the banking industry as assistant to the president of the second biggest savings bank in the Philippines. I was then 24 years old. And for the last 16 years, alam ko yung buhay na merong boss. Bakit? Para ka parating you are always at the mercy of your employer. You're at the mercy of your boss. He completely dictates how you should live your life. Come to think of it, ang mga empleyado, kung kukwentahin nyo yan, mas mahaba pa ang oras nyo sa inyong opisina kisa sa bahay nyo, kisa sa mga anak nyo. Tapos, magkano bang tinatanggap nyo? Ang laki. Laking kahihiyan minsan. Huh? See? So, you become your own boss, and it is only when you become your own boss that you'll have the chance to make so much money that you need to give a much better life to your family. Nung mag-resign ako sa enjoyment ko, dahil 6 na taon may amo ako, nung mag-resign ako for the first week na ginawa ko, one of the sports that I really love to do is play golf. So I played golf from Monday to Friday. Kaya pinabayaan ako ng asawa ko kasi alam niya parang bata na nag-enjoy, na nag-resign. And I felt that kind of freedom na wala kang, hindi mo hihintayin na, you will not feel tense na, ala, baka yung deposit portfolio ko bumaba. Ala, baka hindi ma-aprobahan yung credit facility na pina-approve ko doon. Naku, baka tumawak yung EVP namin, nawala yun, completely nawala. Para bang nakahinga ako ng maluwag. Hindi na-experience na ng mga empleyado niya yun kasi nasanay na sila doon sa buhay na yon. Biro mo, magtrabaho ko 10, 20 years, sanay na sanay ka sa buhay mo na pag-empleyado. Sumusunod ka na lang sa anong gustong gawin ng boss mo. So, nung mag-resign ako, ganun ang ginawa ko. And the best thing that ever happened to me when I resigned was, I internalized it so much na nung mag-resign ako, I am my own boss, therefore, I can have my own company. Alam niyo ang unang ginawa ko? Yung aking mga business card na nakalagay doon, Edmond Ramos Jr., Senior Manager, Metrobank, Cagayan de Oro, Divisoria Branch, tinapon ko na agad yun, sinunog ko na para hindi ko maalala. Nag-iwan lang ako ng isa, dito pa sa akin hanggang ngayon. At least pinakikita ko na manager ako ng bangko. Alam mo yung ginawa ko, pagka-resign ko, internalizing being your own boss, nagpunta agad ako sa pinakamagandang printing press doon sa aming bayan, sa Cagayan de Oro. At nagpagawa ko ng business card, bagong business card, M2000 International, Edmond Ramos Jr., President. No. Sarap ng feeling, wala naman kayong angal doon, di ba? Okay lang yun, di ba? So, okay na okay. Biro mo, from manager, presidente na ko karon. Naaba ko yung opisina sa Phoenix, Arizona. Big time kayo. When my wife saw it, sabi niya, Dad, nga ikaw man ang presidente din eh. Ingon ako, nag-appeal naman ko sa'yo, hindi presidente ko. Sabi niya, dili, pwede, ako'y nauna diya. Na, mauna karon. Mauna na ang diferensya kung ang walang mag-o-object kundi yung asawa mo. So, you see, us in the house, I'm always the king. Whatever my wife says shall be done. Para walang away ba? Alam mo naman tayo. Peace-loving people. So, ano nga, sige, okay, presidente ka? Sige, pagkawa ka ng presidente, walang problema yan. So, tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda. Parang nasa corporate world, pumunta ka doon, balik ka doon sa printing press. Anong ginawa ko? Nagpagawa ulit ako ng bagong set of business card. M2000 International, Edmond Ramos Jr., Chairman of the Board. Wala gyapon mo yung angal-ana, di ba? So, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Why? You're your own boss. Walang nagdidikta. Wala sa iyong mag-o-object. Walang magsasabi na, we disagree. Dapat ito ang boss. You can be your own boss. When you retire, mag-resign ka bukas. Huwag ka mag-resign bukas. Please lang. Sa Wednesday na, walang pasok bukas. Pag-resign mo, you don't have to ask people. All you have to do is go to the, think about the company, the name of the company that you want to make, and then magpalagawa ka ng card. Presidente, walang mangutana sa imo. Way mangutana. Proud pa ka, mga tagkag-card, Presidente. Yes, you are your own boss. Ibig sabihin, you take full control of your life, you do whatever you want, whenever you want to do it, wherever you want to do it, with whomever you want to do the business with. That is the beauty of the concept of multi-level marketing business. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Meron kang complete freedom. Meron kang ipinagdiriwang mo araw-araw ang araw ng kalayaan. Kalayaan sa mga mapang-aping amo. Kalayaan sa negosyo na nadidevote ka, wala ka ng time sa pamilya mo. You're your own boss. When you sign up, you're not even beholden to your upline. You're not even beholden to the managing director. We are all independent distributors in Forever Living. When you join the business, we are just business partners. When you join the business, hindi naman yung upline mo, hihingan ka ng bandiklak. Okay, saan bakit ngayon ka lang nag-report? Dapat mag-report ka araw-araw sa product center. Hindi ganun. Nasa iyo yun. Because you're your own boss. You dictate your own destiny. And you do only things that will make you happy. You can even stay away physically from people who are negative thinkers. People whom you hate. Ayaw mong makita. Bakit? Kasi parating nakasimangot. Because when you work, wala kang choice. Customers are always right. Tama ba? When you work, sinasabi, lalo na sa bangko, naalala ko, ang mga customer is the lifeblood. Deposit is the lifeblood of the bank. Kahit na anong gawin na, they are always right. Sus, kaluoy basad ni mo eh. Para ka ng robot, para na sinusupress ang feeling mo. In Forever Living, pag ayaw nilang maniwala, okay lang. It's their loss, not yours. In Forever Living, you choose people who have happy disposition. Ano ibig sabihin yan? When you join Forever Living business, it's a multi-level marketing business, we expect you to have fun. Let me ask you, are you having fun? Yes! Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa sinasabi ko? You're supposed to have fun because this is a business of enjoyment and having fun. Bawal dito ang seryoso. Don't be so dignified. Kaya naman kasunod din, kaya naman pinaana ba? Dili mo mahappy diri. Kailangan mag-enjoy kayo. After all, you pass this way but once. One day, you will look back at your life. Pag hindi colorful ang buhay mo hanggang sa pagtanda mo, nakasimangot ka pa rin. Kaya ngayon pa lang, mag-enjoy na kayo. Bakit? Kasi nasa forever kayo. Palakpakan niyo ang sarili niyo. We don't only teach you to become your own boss, we also teach you how to multiply your time through others. This is what we call the law of leverage. Leveraging your time through others. Ano ba yung old school of thought natin nung unang panahon? Dati, ang iniisip natin nung tayo nag-aaral pa is to study hard, endeavor to get good grades, at pagka-graduate, anong gagawin? Maghanap ng trabaho. Yun ang mindset natin. Bakit? Because subjects from elementary to college are all designed for employment. Wala naman subject na how to become a millionaire. Wala, di ba? Kasi kung meron, lahat tayo mag-i-enroll, pati ako. Dito, ang subjects is for us to be able to develop our personality, basic knowledge, so that when we graduate, we find work and meet our basic needs. Ano yung basic needs? Food, clothing, and shelter. In multi-level marketing business like where we're living, we teach you how to multiply your time through others. Anong ibig sabihin yan? By getting involved and inviting other people to get involved. If you're going to differentiate multi-level marketing with direct selling, in direct selling, it is you trying to buy, like for example, 1,000 bottles of aloe vera gel and selling it like crazy to each and every one. Multi-level marketing business is you using the product and telling people with excitement that our products are good and each of you will buy 1 bottle each. Yan ang multi-level marketing. Yan yung power of multiplication. Yan yung leveraging of time to others. Leveraging of time to others simply means you join the business and you invite people. Bring them to the meeting. Imbitahin nyo sila. Kung ayaw sumama, pilitin nyo. Ang importante, magdala kayo ng tao because the secret to success in FLP is when you invite people without ceasing. I'm already a diamond manager, and until now, I still invite people who are interested to make life more meaningful in this world. Yung mga tao na gustong, those people who wants to make a difference. Ito yung concept ng networking. Pagka ikaw, ikukumpara mo yan sa mag-isa ka lang, aasa ka sa 2 kamay at sarili mong talino, sariling galing. So, ang income mo, dependent sa galing mo, depende sa level of education, depende sa connection mo, depende kung hanggang kailan ka mabubuhay. Depende rin na hindi ka ma-aksidente, God forbid. Depende rin na hindi ka magkakasakit. Maasa sa 2 kamay. Pag ikaw, yung tao na umaasa sa 2 kamay, katulad ng empleyado, magdadasal ka gabi-gabi na walang mangyari sa'yo. Magdadasal gabi-gabi that, God forbid, wala kang mamit na accident. Magdadasal gabi-gabi na hindi ka magkaroon ng heart attack o stroke. Bakit? Because once something's happened to you, your life will be affected, the future of family will be affected. Networking simply means teaching you how to multiply your time to others, that you join the business, invite people, because your chance to move up to the next higher level is based on group sales. For example, if you're working alone, sa isang araw, 1 oras, at kung the best thing that can happen to you is work your time up to 12 hours. Tama ba? 8 to 12 hours per day. Now, for example, ang concept ng networking is you join the business and you invite 100 people. All of them are part-timers, nagtatrabaho pa. 2 oras lang sa isang araw sila nagpo-forever. Ilang oras yan? 200 hours per day. Yan yung networking. Yan yung concept ng MLM. Hindi umaasa dito. Kahit na hindi ikaw college graduate, you will understand that between 8 to 12 hours a day as against 200 hours per day, your chance to make more money is multi-level marketing. 200 oras yan eh. Now, if, God forbid, something happens to you, and that's the end of your future. If, God forbid, may nakaaway mo ang boss mo, your boss is always right, the owner of the company is always right, they are indispensable, therefore, ikaw ang parating pwedeng tanggalin, ikaw ang pwedeng mawala. Now, in networking, God forbid, for example, hindi lang maputol ang kamay, halimbawa, ikaw ay namatay, you will still continue to make money. Bakit? Pag namatay ka, hindi naman mamamatay lahat na downline mo. Kahit na gaano ka kamahal nila. Upline, namatay si upline, mamatay na po datanan. Dili man po ana. They will still continue to do the business, and God forbid, if you're already dead, syempre masaya asawa mo kasi ang asawa mo ang tatanggap ng income. But still, hindi sayang yung effort mo, and what did you do? You just use the product, endorse it to people, and build your network. And, in effect, you learn how to multiply your time to others. Now, do you need to know a lot of people, or do you need to get many people involved in the business for you to make a difference? Let me tell you this. My wife joined the business in 1992. Para ma-inspire kayo, para malaman nyo na ito, hindi para sa taong malagaling magbenta, hindi para sa taong maraming kaibigan. Usahay, we find reasons or we find excuses not to join the business. Kesyo bago lang ko diri sa Cebu, duhala akong amigo, namatay pa ang isa, na dinadahin mo apil. Listen, my wife joined the business in 1992. Ako ni-apil ko 1996. By the end of 1999, year 2000, we have invited at least 1,021 people. Personally invited, We personally invited. Me and my wife personally invited 1,021 people. You see, in a span of 9 years, we were the top distributors for 5 consecutive years. And because of that, when we invite people, it's always oozing with excitement and enthusiasm. Kanang dako kay mata, talsik ang laway, ana ba? Kanang para mo tuo bitaw gyud. Pero unsa may nahitabo sa 1,021 pilay ni apil sa kagwapo sa negosyo 21 ray ni apil. Oh. Did we get disappointed? Did we get discouraged? No. If you understand what multi-level marketing is, what multiplication time to others is, this 1,021 people as of December 1999, yung 21 na yan have grown to 50,000 distributors under our network. Salamat sa inyong palakpakan. Kilala ba namin silang lahat? Yan ang good news. Not even their shadow have we seen. Na hindi ni anino hindi namin nakikita. But they continue to use the product, they love the product, they invite people, and we continue to make money from them. Because they love the product and they also use it. Now, even if you don't find 21 people, you can also choose to make a difference in the business of forever. One example is when Mayos and Rene Breva joined the business. Mayos and Rene Breva invited so many people. And one of those they invited is Edmond and Lonnie Ramos. With the group of Edmond and Lonnie Ramos, Mayos and Rene Breva has now a very big network. Kay amo man silang upline, in other words, the 50,000 people under us are also their downlines. Do you follow? Yes. And even if this is the only group that our upline is supervisor overlooking, or even if this is the only downline they have, they are making from us at least from 300,000 up to 500,000 pesos per month. Isang network pa lang yan. Paano kung nakadalawang Edmond and Lonnie kayo? Mas mayaman pa kayo sa amin. Are you excited? Yes! Muwa man lagi. Alam niyo ba na pagka yung excitement, hindi ka na excited hanggang ngayon at this point in time? Do you know that you have a problem? Brother advice, tomorrow, when you're not excited, pag hindi pa kayo excited hanggang natapos tayo, you go to your doctor, have a checkup. Mababa masyado ang inyong excitement level. Baka kailangan nyo ng Bipolin. Okay. So, I hope you learned something about multiplication of time to others as a concept. Huwag kayong aasa sa sariling talino at galing sapagkat pag may nangyari sa inyo, napakalaking question mark ng inyong future. Under the concept of multi-level marketing, you don't only become your own boss. We don't only teach you how to multiply your time to others. But in MLM, you leave behind a legacy. Legacy by helping people get what they want in life. Napakaganda po ng konsepto ng networking. Bakit? Kasi dito, para ikaw ay yumaman, para mabago ang buhay mo, you also have to touch the lives of other people. That they too will realize their dreams. May pangarap ba kayo sa buhay? Sino may pangarap sa buhay? Taas ang kamay. Yung iba, ano kayo? Ha? Look, I also encourage you to really have dreams in life. You see, if you don't have dreams in life, you won't be excited about your life. You see, you're not with forever for nothing. Your being here is not an accident. It's a divine plan. If you do this business and you copy what we do, lahat kayo payaman. Be excited. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, be excited. Sa kabila, be excited. Yan, yan. Oh. Alam niyo ba ito, kung kayo na-imbita rito, gusto ko malaman niyo why you should be excited. For your upline to be successful, he has to help the downlines also become successful. You cannot think of making money alone. This is not a traditional business. You don't come and say, I have 5 million. Can I buy the soaring manager position? Yes, you can buy, but what will you do with the stocks? Ilabay ni mo na? Ibaligyan ni mo at a discount? No. Look, ang concept ng networking here is you leave behind the priceless legacy by touching the lives of other people. Ano ang secret to success dito? Very easy. Secret to success, be sensitive to the needs of your downlines. Alamin mo ang pangarap nila at tulungan mo na maging makatotohanan ang kanilang pangarap. Tulungan mo na that they will realize their dreams. We are very successful here. We give glory to God for that. We've been in the business for the past 10 years. You see, bakit ka magiging excited sa negosyo ng multi-level? In traditional business, kung wala ka sa multi-level marketing, for you to become a millionaire, for you to make a difference, kailangan magnegosyo ka. Tama ba? Never in employment. Erase na natin yan. Wala sa employment. Traditional business. But in traditional business, for you to even have a chance to also make a difference, you must have the following. Unang-una, huge capital. For you to make big money, you must have a capital which is also big. You want to make 1 million, kailangan meron kang 1 million sa bulsa. You have 10,000 in your pocket today, hanggang banana Q lang yan. You can never be a millionaire. Okay? Secondly, you must have experience. Kailangan mo ng skill, and you have to have time, full time. You have to be full time in your business to even have a chance to make money. And look at the difference. Paano kayo hindi ma-excited? In traditional business, you get involved, you have what it takes to be successful. Malaki ang kapital mo, may experience ka, may skill ka. But tell me, kung ikaw ba ay traditional businessman, yung bang mga empleyado mo, magiging milyonaryo din? Yes or no? Will they even have a chance to make big money like you? Yes or no? No. They will always be the sacrificial lambs. Come to think of it, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng realization when I got involved in FLP, that after all, unang-una na, I'm really so proud about employees because these are the unsung heroes of the corporate world. Ito yung mga tao na ginagamit ng kumpanya. They're being used by the employers for the employers to realize their dreams. Pagkatapos nyo, when they feel that you've already outlived your usefulness, they will just ask you to file your retirement papers. And you will just be a fleeting personality. You'll just be a name to be remembered. Kaya exciting ang employment. Wala kayong makikita sa mundong ito na nagtatrabaho for someone at sasabihin na dito ako, loyal ako dito because someday before I retire, magiging part owner ako ng kumpanyang ito. I was talking with a downline yesterday. Last night, I was here, he called me up. He felt so frantic when he talked to me. And he said, I just met someone after 1 week of doing the business, doing well. For the first time, he met someone who's so negative about the business. And you see, ang sabi niya, nagtatrabaho sa bangko, sabi niya, bakit ka ba nagpapaloko dyan sa Forever? Huwag ka maniwala dyan, ginagamit lang kayo dyan para yumaman yung mga may-ari. Bahala nang hindi ako yumaman. Ito sabi niya, bahala nang hindi ako yumaman, dito lang ako sa employment ko, basta hindi ako nanloloko ng tao. Wow! Huh? Wow! What a statement! Hindi niya nga siya nanloloko ng tao. Ang hindi niya alam, niloloko siya ng kumpanya niya. Kung Kung ang gauge ng panloloko ng tao is touching the lives of people, helping ordinary drivers, security guard, factory workers, yaya to become millionaires, then okay na sabihin na loko ako. Kung ang sasabihin mong panloloko is when you're able to help your parents enjoy the remaining years of their life, bring them to the US, pagamot mo ang mata nila, then payag na akong sabihin na nanloloko ako. Believe me, ladies and gentlemen, do not fool yourselves. Do not be blind with the opportunity in multi-level marketing, particularly Forever Living. Because here, the legacy that you're going to leave behind is priceless, lalong-lalo na sa mga pamilya mo. Come to think of it. Sa mga nagtatrabaho, bakit ba kayo nagpapakamatay sa trabaho? Dahil ba sa asawa mo? O kung may mga anak ka sa mga anak mo? Minsan nga, sometimes we're unfair with our wife. Sometimes sinasabi natin, alam mo, itong asawa ko, parang kapatid ko na lang. Bakit? 3, 4 na ang anak. Magkasama kayo, parang ano na lang. Para bang you are just there because you got married. Nawala na yung fire. Bakit? Kasi you're so engrossed with your job. Wala ka ng time sa kanya. Sa mga anak na lang. Bakit ba kayo nagtatrabaho? Para sa inyong mga anak. We're so excited about life when we get married because we also want to give a better future to our children. Yes or no? Yes. Of course. You do traditional business because you want to make big money to give a better future to your loved ones. Yes or no? Yes. Of course. Now, open your eyes to the reality. FLP will give you a legacy that is priceless, even if you are already dead. Why? Because of the pamana that you're going to leave behind, the inheritance income that you're going to leave behind. You can just imagine you work so hard in Forever Living, you reach our position, kahit ngayon pa lang, we can choose to retire. God forbid, pwedeng mawala na kami dito. Bakit? Secured na ang kinabukasan ng aking mga anak. 800 to 1 million a month. Mahirap ubusin yun, di ba? Oh, kung may mangyari man sa amin, secured na ang kinabukasan ng aking mga anak. Yan yung sinasabi natin na legacy na hindi pwedeng malimutan. Hindi na yun sa mga anak, doon sa mga tao na inimbitahan mo. You touch the lives of these people. Yung mga ordinaryong tao, lalapit sa'yo, maiiyak sila. Salamat, upline. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, sana ganito na ako for the rest of my life. People will continually pray for you. People will really love you. Why? Because you touch their lives. I can go to Mr. Henry, go up to him and congratulate him. Mr. Henry, congratulations. You're a very successful businessman and you help people. Ilan na ba ang napayaman mo, napamilyonaryo mo ng mga empleyado mo, Mr. C? Meron kaya sa tingin niya? Wala, kahit isa. Ladies and gentlemen, in Forever Living, if you talk about legacy, I talk about my personal testimony. We became very wealthy in Forever Living because we have helped at least over 100 people become millionaires through Forever Living Products International. Hindi lamang 100 kung bibilangin directly. Many people are so inspired with our story that right now, if you will look at the Millionaires Club board in Green Hills, you will see 3 boards numbering to about over 300 people who became millionaires. Ito lamang yung kumpanya na pwede mong tulungan ang isang ordinaryong tao to become an extraordinary person, to become wealthy. I don't know if you call it panloloko. To me, it's an opportunity of a lifetime. And you can only find this in the concept of multi-level marketing, and that is Forever Living. If you believe in the concept of Forever Living, of multi-level marketing, the next question is, why? Why Forever Living? Nga nung mo-apilman ko sa Forever Living, nga naamay daghang kumpanya diha, na ay karon lang nag-launch, kami pioneer diha. Diha sa Forever, kisa may madato diha, sina Ramos, kanang sina Santa Maria, na Nunez, kanang lang sila. Gamiton lang mo. Dinhita mo apil kay pioneer kita. Oo nga, may advantage yung pioneer kasi nauna kayo, kung masipag ka. Pero kung ikaw ay pioneer, at wala ka namang na-sign up, kahit isa, kahit pa panahon ng hapon mo, ka pa nakapayunma, hindi ka pa rin madato. So, hindi yan sasabihin na pioneer ka, ikay unang madato. That's wrong. Why Forever Living? Let me help you decide. Well, life is a choice. I cannot force you to join the business. And let me clarify things. When they invite you here, we are not forcing you to join the business. We are not even trying to convince you. What we want to do is try to offer you an opportunity to make a choice in life. As I've said, life is a choice. Pag inimbita kayo ng upline nyo, it's simply because he wants to share the business opportunity. Hindi dahil pagkakwartahan ka. Old school of thought, pagka inimbita ka, ang tingin na sa'yo, oy, sus, mukita na sa ako, kaya ako iniimbita. Dapat nga magpasalamat kayo. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi napili kayo ng upline nyo na imbitahin. Voluntarily or by force. Pero marirealize nyo yan habang pinaliliwanag. I cannot force you to join FLP, but I will help you decide which company to choose. Ang iba sa atin, nahihirapan sa requirements ng forever. Ayaw mag-forever, lilipat sa kabilang kumpanya. Ang hindi nila alam, ang nasalihan nila ay isang kumpanya na lalong that will really put them down. Ang hindi nila alam, yung kanilang nasalihan kumpanya, yung kumpanya na kala nila multi-level, yung pala illegal. Binary system man di ay. Triple matrix man di ay. Wrong way man di ay lang naduulan. Why will you choose FLP? Let me help you. Unang-unang titingnan nyo yung company profile. You don't want forever living? Then look into the company profile of the company which you will join. Okay, ano yung company profile? Ang ibig sabihin niyan, ayaw nyo ng forever? Gusto nyo lumipat dito sa kabilang kumpanya? Unang-unang titingnan nyo yung track record ng kumpanya. Track record simply means ilang taon na ba siya in existence. Based on statistics worldwide, take note, listen, 8 out of 10 MLM companies fold up o nagsasarado within 5 years of operation. Statistics to ha, 8 out of 10. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Pag sumali ka sa isang kumpanya, ang unang-unang tatanungin mo kung ayaw ng forever, kailan niya na-establish? If it is 1996 or later, 97, 98, mag-isip-isip ka kapatid. You will just wake up one day na